Unveiling the Secrets, the meaning of blowing the whistle. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase, blowing the whistle. Stick around as we unravel the layers behind this expression, its origins, and how you can use it in your daily conversations. When we talk about blowing the whistle, we're referring to the act of exposing wrongdoing, unethical behavior, or illegal activities within an organization or group. It's like sounding an alarm to alert others about a problem that needs immediate attention. Whistleblowers are often individuals who, despite potential risks to their careers or personal lives, feel a responsibility to bring these issues to light. The phrase, blowing the whistle, has its roots in sports, where a referee blows a whistle to stop the game due to a foul or an infringement of the rules. Over time, this concept was adopted in other contexts to signify calling attention to foul play or rule-breaking outside of the sports arena. It embodies the idea of halting actions to address and rectify a problem. In today's society, whistleblowing plays a crucial role in maintaining transparency and accountability in various sectors, including government, corporations, and public services. Whistleblowers have been instrumental in uncovering fraud, corruption, health and safety violations, and other critical issues. While they may face challenges, their actions are often protected by laws designed to shield them from retaliation. You can use blowing the whistle in a variety of contexts to describe the act of exposing wrongdoing. For example, she considered blowing the whistle on the company's illegal activities. The report led to several employees blowing the whistle on the toxic work environment. Remember, using this phrase implies a sense of courage and responsibility on the part of the whistleblower. We hope this video has shed some light on the meaning and significance of blowing the whistle. It's a powerful expression that highlights the importance of standing up for what is right, even when it's challenging. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful content. Keep learning, and see you in our next video.